So now it's time to download this template. So go ahead and download your favorite one. So download and take a few moments. Save it and so I'm going to select all of these, copy, and going back to housing in reference folder and just pasting it right here. So now we are back in Windows PowerShell. Now we can go ahead and type npmi. It basically installs all the packages that are needed for your project. It will take some time. Let's give it few seconds. npmi basically downloads all the files and folders that are there in package.json that is needed and required for this project to run. So we can go ahead and type ls, shows everything, and there you would see that there's node modules that basically has and everything that your project needs to run on. So the next step is we have to create a source file and a dist file. To do that, we are back in Sublime and going back right on top at the folder, right click and create a new folder called src as a source file, and another folder called dist file. The dist file is basically ignored because it is there in the git ignore file page, so that explains it. And the other things that you need to do is going back to your folder, and we have to copy paste everything in the source file and in the dist file. So the page that we'll be copying and pasting in the source file is the HTML page. The index, it has only one page, so we can go ahead and copy this and going back to the source file, pasting it right here. So actually going back to reference and HTML. HTML actually needs certain assets that needs to be run on, so we can copy this and actually paste it in both dist file and the source file as well. The dist folder is the final folder, so you don't need to go back and forth editing in this folder. All you need to do is edit in the source folder, which has the basic HTML stuff. So you can edit in this and you can see the final product in the dist folder.